In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. If you want cleaner, clearer writing and fewer typos, this is a quick and reliable way to get help right where you work. Grammarly is a writing assistant that checks your spelling, grammar, and readability as you type, and the best part is that it can sit inside Word so you don't have to switch tools. First, head to the official Grammarly website in your web browser. Using the official site is important to avoid outdated installers or third-party downloads. Once you're on the site, look for the download option and save the installer to your computer. Depending on your settings, the download may begin automatically and appear in your browser's downloads bar, or it may land in your downloads folder. When it finishes, open the file. Your computer might ask for permission to run the installer. Allow it, and then follow the on-screen prompts. The process is straightforward and typically completes in just a minute or two. If you're asked where to apply Grammarly, keep the default settings so it works seamlessly with Word. When the installation wraps up, you're ready for the next part. Now, open Microsoft Word like you normally would. Start a new document or open an existing one and begin typing. As you write, or when you highlight text, look for a small, circular G icon to appear near your cursor or along the edge of the page. That G is your signal that Grammarly is active and watching your text in real time. If you click the G or hover over the underlines it adds, you'll see suggestions with a brief explanation of what's being corrected. You can accept a change with a single click or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your style. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the G icon right away, give Word a moment after it opens and try typing a few words. If it still doesn't appear, close Word and reopen it to refresh the connection. Make sure you completed the download from the official website and that your internet connection is stable, since Grammarly often pulls in language models and rules from the cloud. Keeping Word up to date can also help with compatibility. That's all there is to it. Download Grammarly from the official webpage, then open Microsoft Word and watch for the G icon to show up as you write or highlight text. With that in place, you'll have a helpful writing assistant working quietly in the background, catching mistakes and polishing your prose while you focus on your ideas.